Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima uzosho ukuthi akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
No, manje
princess.
nobala. So yini yakho wani? Ngithatha i-private life yami ibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Lamina, I want to ask you something. Please be honest. Do you think I've got a shopper?
Ngaqale ngibheke kuqala. Akusona ishopper.
What is it? I don't have a shopper.
Akusona.
What is it?
Into yokuhlala ikhona.
People say I've got a shopper.
Badlala nawe.
Oh, okay. I was going to ask you to take me to the gym so I can do a bit of squatting. But I also don't want a big bum veil.
Lezo nazo zirathi.
Yeah, ne? Okay. Okay, if you say so, Dlamini. Okay, thank you. I wanted to clarify. Yeah. I wanted to clarify. Here's a couple. John, they want to run away from the camera. They want to run away from the camera. Why are you running? We're not coming to you, we're just passing. Guys, why are you turning around? Okay, anyway, I do go around looking for couples, so can I ask you a couple of questions?
Yes,
Is it fine?
John.
I'm good, how are you, sir?
All right.
Can I ask you a couple of questions?
For what?
For my show on YouTube.
Eish, yabona lezi zinto zabantwana lezi ingane.
Hi, but what do you mean?
Sisi wami. Into ofuna ukuyazi.
Can we come this side? So you're open to me asking you questions? For my show on YouTube.
I know, it's still right.
Right?
Yeah.
But it's just a couple of questions, just a quiz. I'll take a few seconds of your time.
Chahang lang. Asa chahang. Okay, sure.
Okay, my love, please stand this side. My dove. Alright, name?
Xolile.
Olile and? Gugu. Gugu, when did you meet your man?
Probably this month.
Last month? Really? So you've been together for a month or 3 weeks? 3 weeks to a month?
Yeah.
And how's that going?
Ncane.
And how has that been for the past month?
Hayi ngathina umuntu grand mina kimi. Yeah, so bona ukuthi uNkulunkulu usiphathelene.
But since the relationship is new, do you give her time to get rid of other men?
Hayi.
You wouldn't give her time? So that the day you umshela must be the day she must cut other men off?
Yeah, ngithi umuntu wami and then mele sifundane. Sibone ukuthi senza kanjani. Nami nje yabona isikhathi sokudlala hayi.
Yeah. So what about you? You don't have extra people?
Mina kubonakala mangifikile mina ngithanda attention. Yeah. Umuntu mafikile ami uzomattenda naye. Naye angattend.
Okay.
Yabo? Yeah.
Okay. How do you feel about that? Until the day he asks you out, you better be single, nje. Or cut off your hose.
Yeah.
Have you done that, Gugu?
Yeah, ngikwenzile lo.
Hayi, Gugu. Look at me in
Ngikwenzile.
the eye.
Okay, ngikwenzile lo.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 100%.
But what made you choose him out of all the other guys that were pursuing you?
He's a good guy.
He's a good guy.
Yeah, he's perfect for me.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I like him.
You like him? But how do you know that? How do you know he's a good guy when you met him last month only?
I mean, his actions, man.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, you know what? I'm not going to beat around the bush. Ne? What we do on this show is we switch phones. Basically, it's how we do loyalty test. Right? You check her phone and she checks your phone. Are you fine with that?
Hey, kuzoba inkinga nyanga.
Why?
Kodwa mina ngiclean mina ngiyasazi.
You don't mind? Gugu?
Why?
Gugu, it's a loyalty test. Do you think that she has an issue?
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
Thank you. Phone? Thank you. We'll start with yours, ne? Okay, spell out the passcode or password. Thank you. Okay, Gugu. So type I love you. That's you, mustn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, delete. What does he type in English or Zulu or what?
Mostly in Zulu.
Okay, write Stando.
That's me.
That's you, Mus.
Yeah.
Okay, delete. Type Kumbulile.
That's his mom.
That's his mom.
Yes.
Hey, okay. Sir. Alright, delete. Okay, type babe. That's you. Hey, son. Hey, this gent. Okay, delete. Type Tanda. Ngiyakutanda. That's you, Mus. Again. Hey! Hi. Type pregnant. Okay, there's nothing there. Delete. Type morning after Paul. Never know. Hey, hi son. Okay, delete. Type outside. Just see who is fetching. Hey, hi son. Okay, delete. Type ngiyabonga. Actually type bonga. That's you, Muslim. That's a guy's name. Congratulations, sir. Clean. Go, don't disappoint us. Please. Yeah, boy. Okay. Passcode or... Okay. Go. Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hey, why is your person... Yatata Zalemba?
No, ngisharp.
Okay, delete. Right. Type I love you. What does she type in English or Zulu or what?
Zulu.
Okay. That's you. Okay, delete. Type Stando.
Yeah.
Clean. Okay, delete. Type I miss you. That's not you. Go into the conversation. Hey, Kuku ya yuruza. Ya yuruza wen. Ya yuruza wen.
Ungipheka mnandi izolo. Yeah?
Kuku, what's going on?
No.
No, what? Don't be tongue-tied. You're cheating. What's happening?
That's my cousin. Yazi ukuthi my cousin isuke esikhuluma izinto ezibhedayo.
Go into media. Let's see what pictures they're sending each other.
Bheka bangcono. Yes, sis.
Gugu, you look so innocent.
Bheka
It's the innocent ones.
Siswami.
No, Gugu, this is disgusting.
Yazi ngiyashika manje.
This is nasty. That you're sending nudes to your cousin. Don't annoy us.
Bheka.
Explain yourself. Since you decided I was gonna come to work and I was gonna watch porn. Explain yourself.
Okay, cousin yami ne. Ngicela ukuthi ungakwadi. Uyazi ukuthi
Gugu, we're gonna call your cousin, so you better tell the truth now. We're not dumb.
cousin yami.
Okay, let's call him.
Angazohlanya cousin
Let's call him. Because
Manje uyangiyela lo mntwana manje.
wait, Kaloku, let's call him.
Uyangiyela
Let's call him, love.
ngiyabona mos uthi kuhambani.
Afuna don't call because he's saying
for in
foreclosure.
cousin yakhe.
Kaloku, maybe
Ucha-
you're a side nigga also because you've been together for 1 month only. What if this gent has been here for longer?
Kule month le. Yokhuluma ngayo yazi ngispende emalini.
And her nails, she's got nice nails. You did those nails.
Yonke into nje zobumbona njengoba umbona. Yeah, menze inywele, amazipho, niyeza nemali. Yazi.
Gugu, ithini into yakho? Yintoni lesikuyo? So you don't want to call this gent?
Ibafungeke
Xolile, calm down.
Ongeke yini ngawo?
Calm down.
Hayi, man.
We need you to calm down. If you don't want to call, we're
Yeah?
not going to call this guy. You don't want to call this guy. It's fine if you don't want to call him. But
For in.
to clarify and for closure.
Hayi, angithi
Because you got-
ngiyazibonela
Okay.
ukuthi kuhambani.
Give me your
Ngiyabona
phone.
ukuthi kuhambani.
Gugu, who's this guy?
Yazi Thembana ne.
Who's this guy?
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Umuntu bengijola naye.
Boo. This is past tense or current?
Enhle umuntu engijola naye.
Yamuthi thini manje?
Yeah. For how long?
Ayi man yazi into
We celebrate anniversary 1 year manje.
1 year. So he's aside. Xolile.
Yeah, it was like
What she's been with the guy for 1 year.
Wayengashongo sonke lesikhathi ukuthi unomuntu.
Okay, wena u-expectani ke? U-expectani? Unga-expect ukuthi like siqala ukujola sine 1 month ubusu expect ukuthi ngithole ngisingle.
Usho kanjalo ngithi.
Uphelele la ekhanda wena.
Usingile wena.
Why did you lie?
Uthe usingile.
Why did you lie?
Obvious mate. Okay, umuntu like make sure la uthini? Angesithi usingle.
No, I don't.
Hawu. Ongiyeke man.
Xolile, calm down. Xolile, calm down.
Hayi ngiyakutshela mina.
Are you not one? Are you not one? Gugu, here's your phone.
No, yeah, ngiyabonga.
Oh, are you not one? You're not.
Ungabhizi ngesifebe wena.
You're not-
Ungabhizi ngesifebe.
Are you not one?
Mamela. Okokuqala lo muntu wami. Yebo.
Kwenzakalani manje?
Washongo.
Okokuqala umuntu wakho what?
Ngumuntu wami ndisejola kumnandi konke ku-right.
Ufunani kimi?
Phela
Ufunani?
angifuni imali.
Ufuna imali oh.
Macala.
Mina ngiblessa mina.
Ngiyamdala phela.
I think, listen, I think let's call the guy.
Hayi.
No, Mamela. The guy needs to know that he's being cheated on also. You understand?
Okay.
Because the relationship is going to end and then she's going to carry on nicely with the other guy on the other side. Do you understand? That's a problem. Give me the phone. Can I have your phone, Gugu? Oh, you are willing. In the passcode. Hi, guys. I can't at this point.
Ngiyangirela kulo muntu lona.
Ngavela ku-right.
Noma bengithi uzovela bengithi
Kancane uyavela.
Umdala kanje cabanga ukuthi ubaba mengayivuma leyo.
Excuse me?
Umdala wena.
What's the age gap, kanti?
sonke lesikhathi sengumdala manje
Yebo, umdala.
wangashongo ukuthi vele ungichithe vele ukuthi bonakala ukuthi wena
Wena
lo
kodwa
muntu
vele ungafuni relationship nomntana ongangami. Really? Hayi wena uba nengqondo.
uthanda
manje.
nomnyaka mana wazi lo
Abanengqondo, Gugu.
Yebo.
Akanangqondo ngoku.
Hayi kanangqondo vele lo uyambona nje lawo.
Hi, am I speaking to Bongani?
Hello, love.
Hello, love. Hey, Bongani, do you know who you're speaking to? Why are you calling me love? Do you know Gugu?
Yeah, I know Kuku.
What is she to you?
Come to go
For how long?
for 1 year.
We are with Uxolile la, and Uxolile is her boyfriend for 1 month now.
What?
Uzothatha lesifebe sakho wena. Uzothatha lesifebe sakho la.
Lo muntu.
Baba ngifuna ukwazi uzothatha lesifebe sakho.
Wena
Ungabizi ngesifebe.
Ya sengishilo umuntu wakho yana.
Mina unamanga nomuntu angijoni naye. Angijoni naye unamanga.
Why did you give me your phone to call Ubongani if you're gonna lie when I call him?
My love.
Indoda othi umbambe nje kancane
Mamela.
Wana manje.
My love.
Yebo.
Udirakala mu ka bakala udirakala mu.
Okay ngeke ngimeze for.
I forget it, okay? Ngicela ukuthi yayi wena ngicela ukuthi ungambizi ngesifebe futhi. Ungambizi ngesifebe.
Sengishilo.
Why ungibiza ngesifebe?
Ubongani
I'm so type yami wena. So type yami.
Out manje ke mangixolile.
Soke lesikhathi lesibongitshela ukuthi mina ngigrand.
I'm sorry, love. I'm gonna have to hang up. You'll sort it out with your woman when you get home.
Yeah.
Cha phela nami bengifuna phela ukuthi i-relationship ingathi yahamba kancane.
No. Yeah. Do you have your phone? Do you have your phone?
Kahle wena ungitshele kahle.
Like,
Yeah?
I'm over it.
Vele ngidla amanye
Hayi phela.
amanyala enye indoda mina.
Yeah, mawuthanda nawe.
Yeah?
Mawuthanda. Angiforce.
What's funny?
Yazi mawubheki.
No, akaso type yami uqala. How so type yami? No, type yami.
Mani wena.
The camera guy is your side.
Indoda omnyeke manje.
Ayibona untanga emini.
Stop being a player because we just called Ubongani right now. If Ubongani sees this, because we're gonna upload this.
Wena ngagula uzobona.
Ne?
Ngagula. Jama nalo bongane wakho angimazi uthi njani.
Exactly.
Yabo.
Exactly.
Okay.
Ucabangela ukuthi mina ngigugi ngizoshona ke wena uzosala ngale nto yakho.
Sizongcwaba, uzoshona songcwaba sodla emngcobeni wakho and kebe kumnandi and basazopheka shem gas.
I'm so over it.
1 month asikakayi nakude.
Guys, okay.
Siwami ngathi wosicabanisayo futhi. Kwafika wena. Akufike wena man.
But if it weren't for me, you were not going to know that she's got a boyfriend.
Wena wenza yonke lento.
But if it weren't for me, you were not going to know that she's got a boyfriend.
Ngizositholela mina ngithi.
How?
Ngizositholela ngendlela zami.
How?
Yena lo bongane beyazofona ngithi. Yeah. Mina namhlanje mhlawumbe namanje oba besami.
Okay.
Yasiphazamisa man.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hayi man, hey man, ume man.
Leave it, it's fine.
Yeah?
It's fine, you can go.
Yephi? Ngamba naye lo.
Oh. Oh.
Angindawo nawe mina.
Ngamba nawe wena.
Hayi, siyaphi?
So you're the one that cheated, Miss. You don't want to fix things.
No, I don't.
Okay. You guys can go about your business. I'm sorry I ruined your day.
Cela into zami.
Iziphi?
Into zami.
Into zakho ziphi?
Una ngizisho manje.
What do you, is it done in those?
Ufuna ngizisho?
Yiziphi lezi to anginazo mina nginanto zakho.
She can't take off the nails.
Yeah, ngathi ngiyacabanga ulento leyo. Ngupha zona ne.
I-nails.
Yeah.
Siyamuphi nails.
Yeah, ujabulisa ubonga. Uthini ubongane manje makubone ukuthi akabhejwe mina ngiyakubhejela uthini yena? Yeah?
And Ubongani is young, right?
Yeah, he's young.
Uthini?
So, please come down, Xolile. Ubongani is young, right? Yeah. So he's not giving you money. That's why you cheated with Xolile.
Uyanginikeza imali but ayikho enough for my son.
So Xolile was enough.
Yeah.
What are you going to do now that Xolile has found out that you're a cheater?
It's fine, uzohamba ngizothola umunye.
Yeah.
Yeah, bale bakudla.
Lekho right.
Basiphinde.
Xolile, really?
Indaba ngiyongijwayela lo, ngiyangijwayela. Hayi ngimthanda kanjani? Hayi besengiplanile ukuthi vele mhlambe ke. Ngiyaqala ukuthola nomntwana omncane kanje. Yabona abantwana abancane bayenzani?
Nonsense.
Umshado nge-1 month uphelele ekhanda wena.
Umuntu ositholele negogwane.
Vele itanga
Hayi
yakho.
gogwane.
Ngoba nawe nje ngikhathe ekhanda lana
Uthole
awupananga lana ekhanda.
Ungayazi makeup, uthole ungazi nenywele ukuthi zayenze. Mntana lona manje.
So
Uphuma ekhaya uhlonipho alright. Uthole alright ubongane vele mhlawumbe njengoba kade akunezinane imali. Bayakubona ukuthi uyabhayiza. Uthole intuthu nje.
Ngazongijwayela.
Ngiyakutshela untuthu. Ngiyabonakala
Antoni intuthu mina ngazongijwayela.
Ufuna ukwenzani? gcwele intuthu ngiyageza
Ugeza bani? Ugeza bani?
ngiyageza i-makeup
Ugeza
uyayazi malini wena
ungazongijwayela
nalezi zipho lezi azazi malini Yaqala nje life yakho ukugcoka lezi
Okay, guys. Ntuthu, step to the
Ndiyagcina
side.
futhi
Ufisa ubani intuthu sisi?
Ntuthu, step to the side.
Ungibiza ngentuthu
Please
sisi.
step to the side, Ntuthu. I need to close the episode.
vele.
I need to close. Who needs to does anyone need transport home here? Between the two of you?
Ngiyadinga.
Okay, please step aside. Ntuthu, step aside. I wanna close. I wanna close the episode, Ntuthu, please. Thank you, Ntuthu. Thank you. All right, CMTV viewers, it has absolutely gone bananas. All right, my name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ See you later.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Simfonelo sima. Uzosho ukuthi akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami. No, manje ngibhekele nobala. So yini yakho wena? Mangithatha i-private life yami ibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?